Did you have money
No,
growing up?
nothing. No.
What did your dad do?
My dad, well, he had a lot of jobs all the time, but he was New York City sanitation, and then he also
Mafia.
No, everyone
Is that what
thinks
that means?
No, no.
I thought that.
No. He was legitimately, the city of New York sanitation.
With a picture.
Section. It's like attached together?
Yeah.
Section.
Yeah, that would
like
be.
little chairs attached together.
Yeah.
I ain't like those.
Oh, you about the new couch? Them motherfuckers probably like 4 or 5,000. Not paying attention to the road table. Right, something like that.
Oh, what an idiot.
The 10K's an hour below the speed limit on the open road. No reason.
It's so bright downtown over track now. He's already hit 2 people overtaking me, so she's just out the window.
Gonna speed up now though, or is he gonna do the same to me?
Oh.
Nice.
You're the king. You have no needs. You have people waiting on you all the time. When could we have possibly seen you like this? And that's when Jesus puts the big surprise on him. When you saw these least
Okay, Presto. What the Jorge? Look how fast. Call us for health and safety. He's driving so bad.
Yes, I'm a fan. That's why it's always great to come and hang out.
Harold, you're the newest member here, I think.
I told you guys, this is Greg. I mean, for my kids, watching Greg do the one more thing, go, and our goals are great. I got hooked on the show, so thank you guys for having me.
Jesse, I'm going to just point out real quick before we get your reaction. We have food here from Arthur & Sons. This is located in Chelsea. They also own Serendipity 3, which I think we've probably all been to before and had that amazing food there. They have spicy rigatoni alla vodka, meatballs and ricotta, and we have something else. We have ranch, garlic bread, and we have a big cake.
Cannolis.
Cannolis, oh yeah, we get the cannoli, Jesse.
I don't want to say anything. I just want to eat the rigatoni.
Okay, go for it.
Me too.
Judge, you
Right now, Arthur & Sons, thank you so much.
Yes. Judge, what do you think about the pot?
Well, I love it. I
aggressively driving
chance to, pipe off.
No, I'm not. It's a 110 zone again. But he ran up that guy's ass. The guy that.
Our viewers have made it awesome. One of the things I've always been amazed by is how they remember things that happened 11 years ago. And they can tell you exactly what it was and who said it.
A few moments later.
I've been there. They have a source-funded DA out in La Jolla. He's letting these guys run wild. And it's just...
Oh, another cop. Tell me he's going to get the guy with the boat.
Season on beachgoers.
Just tell me he's getting the guy with the boat.
It's almost as sick as Hunter Biden. Tonight, Jesse Watters Prime Time, did Joe Biden promote a bogus abortion story?
Sheriff too. Right on.
Whoa, buddy.
That's happened to me before.
What?
Somebody waved a gun. Like I had to call the police because I was like, some guy just flashed a pistol.
What the hell? All right, be on YouTube too.
Jeez.
That's the second motorcyclist I've seen go through the shoulder.
Jeez. Wow.
This morning.
Oh wow, really?
Yeah.
Actually, I take it.